My dear students of class 4, open your book, chapter 4, page number 6. Just look at the incomplete drawings. Your teacher will give you instructions to complete the drawings. Listen carefully and follow the instructions. Listening activities B. Dear students, first you see, here is a picture. You see there are two big green trees and a dustbin and a flower plant, a boy hopping with the strings. You see, what did you see in this picture? Some of these pictures are incomplete. So what you will do? You will complete the picture and color it and send it. First you see, there is a boy with a thread but having no kite. So you should draw a kite and color it. Then you see, there is a small flower plant. Just you look. There is a small flower plant. And the flower plant is incomplete. So you have to complete it. That means you have to make a leaf and a flower. Then after painting it, you have to post it. Just then you see there is a what? A dustbin. The dustbin is empty. So what you will do? ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ ନା you will fill up the dustbin with different waste materials. Then send it. So in this picture you see there is a boy अर्थात गोटे पिला अच्छी गोटे सूता धरी सूताटी को छाड़ी देछि सूताटी उड़ी जाइछि अर्थात एथिरे गोटे गुड़ी संयोग करी गुड़ीटी को कलर करी पठेबे सेही परी गोटे डस्टबिन आ गोटे फ्लावर प्लांट मध्ये अछि you have to complete the picture and then you send it. Students, now I will go to some activities. Just you look at your book about it. C. Listen to the conversations between Joey and Ria. Take the correct columns in the table. The first one has been done for you. Click the picture. Joey clicked the picture, but Ria did not. Similarly, was the sunrise. Ria was the sunrise, but Joey did not. Tasted local food. Both Joey and Ria tasted local food. Went for movie. Went for movie. Ria went to movie, but Joey did not. Visited relatives. Both Ria and Joey visited relatives. Went for an elephant ride. Ria went for an elephant ride, but Joey did not. So, my dear students, now we will go to speaking skills. Read the list of activities. Talk about household chores that you do. Activity D, and you have to do or you have to arrange it as you do in your house. You can start like this: wash the cup and spoons, buy things from the market, polish my shoes, get a glass of water, tidy my rooms, water the plants, help mothers serve the foods, dust the tables. So these are various household activities and you have to put it accordingly. What activities you have done in your house first, then and then you have to arrange it and then post it. That is, look at the express yourself. So talk to your partners, take turns, ask him or her 3 things that he shall do. So I will take you 3 questions and you will answer me. First, my question is, come. First my question is, What do you do every morning? What do you do every morning? You do. What do you do every morning? You do.
I brush my teeth. I take my bath. I take my breakfast. I go to my coaching.
So you tell all things, but you just tell in a simple things. Just you see, you. What do you do every morning? Partners. I drink milk every morning. What else do you do? I brush my teeth every day. What do you do then? I go to school then. So I will ask you 3 questions and you have to answer it. So my first question is, what do you do every morning?
I drink milk every morning.
Thank you. What do you do every morning? I brush my teeth every morning. I read my book every morning. I go to school every morning. So you have to just tell it. You have to express it what you have done. So you should not be so sleepless like this. You should tell, fluently tell. Then we will go to the pictures. Work with a partners. Take turns to describe these pictures. First, you see, here is a boy. The boy is standing with an umbrella. And then is a doll. The doll is standing. Here the girl is walking, where the woman is walking along the street with a basket. Thank you.